Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new way to send crypto from Binance directly to Revolut in 2025. Fast, safe, and hassle-free. Whether you're cashing out Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin, I'll break it down step by step so you don't miss a thing. First, let's start on Binance. Head over to your assets and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. For this example, we'll use Bitcoin. Once you've picked your coin, click on Cash In, then Sell. Complete the sale and you'll have the equivalent in USD ready in your account. Next, go to your account dashboard. Here, you'll see your estimated balance. Click on Withdraw and select Fiat currency. Choose your preferred currency, USD, for example, and set the withdrawal method to bank transfer. Now, here's the key step. Enter your Revolut bank account details. Double check everything to make sure it's correct, then confirm the transaction. That's it. Your funds will be transferred from Binance straight to Revolut, usually within a few business days. If you haven't signed up for Revolut yet, I've put the link in the description below. Definitely check it out. And there you have it. A simple, secure way to move your crypto from Binance to Revolut without any fuss. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a crypto tip again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.